Knowledge Nexus.
Yo, what's up everyone? It's Knowledge Nexus YouTube channel, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of machine learning. Now, you've probably heard this term thrown around a lot, from those personalized recommendations on your Netflix to the tech powering self-driving cars. It can seem complex and even a bit intimidating, but trust me, it doesn't have to be. In this video, we're breaking down the basics of machine learning in a way that anyone can understand. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just curious about this game-changing technology, this video is your beginner's guide to understanding the fundamentals. We'll be covering everything from the different types of machine learning to its real-world applications and even how you can get started with it. So if you're ready to demystify machine learning and see why it's becoming such a big deal, grab your favorite drink, hit that subscribe button, and let's jump right into it. Alright, so let's start with the big question. What exactly machine learning? In a nutshell, it's all about teaching computers to learn from data, without explicitly programming them every step of the way. Think of it like this. Imagine teaching a child to ride a bike. You wouldn't write down a 1,000-page instruction manual, right? Instead, you let them experiment, make mistakes, and learn from those experiences. Machine learning is similar. We feed computers massive amounts of data and let them analyze it, identify patterns, and make predictions, all without us having to hard-code every single rule. This is a fundamental shift from traditional programming, where we had to tell computers exactly what to do for every possible scenario. With machine learning, the computer figures out the how on its own. This opens up a whole new world of possibilities, allowing computers to tackle complex tasks that were previously impossible. And believe me, this technology is already touching our lives in countless ways, from personalized recommendations on your favorite streaming platforms to the spam filters that keep your inbox clean. Machine learning is working behind the scenes, making our lives easier and more efficient. But it goes way beyond that. Machine learning is being used to develop self-driving cars that can navigate complex environments, create medical diagnoses with incredible accuracy, and even power virtual assistants that can understand and respond to our natural language. It's even being used in fields like finance, where it's helping to detect fraud, and in marketing, where it's personalizing advertising campaigns to reach the right audience. And as the field continues to evolve, the potential applications of machine learning are practically limitless. Let's break down the three main types of machine learning. Supervised learning uses labeled data, unsupervised learning finds patterns in unlabeled data, and reinforcement learning learns through rewards. Each method has its strengths: prediction, pattern discovery, and decision-making in complex environments. Now, let's get a little bit more technical and talk about some key concepts you'll come across in the world of machine learning. First and foremost, we have data sets, the lifeblood of any machine learning model. These are massive collections of data that we feed to our algorithms. Just like we need food to learn and grow, algorithms need data to learn and make accurate predictions. Next up, we have features. Think of these as the specific pieces of information within a dataset that the algorithm focuses on. For example, if we're building a model to predict house prices, features might include things like square footage, number of bedrooms, location, and so on. Of course, we can't forget about algorithms, the brains of the operation. These are sets of mathematical instructions that tell the computer how to process the data and learn from it. There are tons of different algorithms out there, each with its own strengths and weaknesses, and choosing the right one is crucial for building an effective model. And finally, we have models, the end product of the machine learning process. Once an algorithm has been trained on a data set, it produces a model that represents the patterns and relationships it has learned. This model can then be used to make predictions on new, unseen data. Now, I know this might sound a bit abstract, so let's use a simple analogy. Imagine you're trying to teach a computer to recognize different types of fruit. The dataset would be a collection of images of fruits. The features might be things like color, shape, and size. The algorithm would be the method the computer uses to learn from these features, and the model would be the computer's ability to then identify a new fruit based on what it's learned. At this point, you might be thinking, okay, machine learning is cool and all, but how can I actually get started? And the good news is, it's never been easier to dive into this exciting field. There are tons of incredible resources available online, many of which are completely free. Websites like Coursera, edX, and Fast.ai offer comprehensive courses taught by leading experts in the field. You can also find a wealth of tutorials, articles, and videos on websites like Towards Data Science and Machine Learning Mastery. And when it comes to getting your hands dirty with code, Python has become the go-to language for machine learning. Libraries like scikit-learn, TensorFlow, and PyTorch provide powerful tools for building and deploying machine learning models. But I'll be honest with you, the best way to learn machine learning is by doing. Start with small, manageable projects and gradually work your way up to more complex challenges. Don't be afraid to experiment, make mistakes, and learn from your failures. That's all part of the process. And who knows, maybe this could even turn into a rewarding career path for you. The demand for skilled machine learning engineers and data scientists is skyrocketing across various industries. So if you're looking for a field with massive growth potential, machine learning is definitely worth exploring. Now, we've covered a lot of ground, but we're just scratching the surface of what machine learning can do. The field is constantly evolving, with new breakthroughs and advancements happening all the time. One area that's particularly exciting is deep learning, a subfield of machine learning that uses artificial neural networks with multiple layers to analyze data in increasingly sophisticated ways. Think of it like this. If traditional machine learning is like a bicycle, deep learning is like a spaceship. It allows us to tackle even more complex problems like image recognition, natural language processing, and even drug discovery. Speaking of natural language processing, or NLP, this is another area where machine learning is making huge strides. NLP focuses on enabling computers to understand, interpret, and even generate human language. We're talking about things like virtual assistants that can hold conversations, chatbots that can provide customer support, and even machines that can translate languages with incredible accuracy. But it goes beyond that. Machine learning has the potential to revolutionize countless industries in the years to come. Imagine a world with personalized medicine tailored to your unique genetic makeup, intelligent robots that can assist us with everyday tasks, and even the development of artificial general intelligence, machines that can perform any intellectual task that a human being can. While we're not quite there yet, the future of machine learning is incredibly exciting, and it's only a matter of time before we see even more groundbreaking applications emerge. So buckle up and get ready for a wild ride. All right, everyone, we've reached the end of our journey into the world of machine learning. We've covered a lot of ground, from the basics of what machine learning is to the different types, key concepts, and even how you can get started. We've also explored the incredible potential of this technology, from its current applications in areas like personalized recommendations and self-driving cars, to its future possibilities in fields like personalized medicine and artificial intelligence. It's clear that machine learning is not just a buzzword, it's a transformative technology that's already shaping our world in profound ways. But more than that, I hope this video has sparked your curiosity and inspired you to learn more about this exciting field. Remember, you don't need to be a math whiz or a coding guru to get started. With the right resources and a willingness to learn, anyone can dive into the world of machine learning. So that's it for this breakdown of machine learning. It's definitely a complex field, but hopefully, this video gave you a good starting point for understanding the basics. It's really fascinating to see how far it's come, and it's only going to get more integrated into our lives going forward. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of machine learning, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech breakdowns just like this. And let me know in the comments down below what other tech topics you'd like me to cover in future videos. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.